I have unlimited AI credits and my balance keeps increasing every minute. First, let's see what you can create with these credits. Then I'll show you exactly how to get them for free. The website I'm using is Flashloop. If you create an account using my referral code, you'll receive 1,000 free AI credits. From here, you can create your own AI character or even a completely fictional one. If you want to create a character based on yourself, simply upload your photo and enter a prompt describing the image you want to generate. In just a few minutes, your character image will be ready. Once your image is generated, your AI character is ready to use. Now, you can generate more images and videos while keeping the same face consistent. To create a video, hover over the studio menu and select Stories. Next, click Create Scene to open the scene editor. Enter a prompt describing the first frame of your video and make sure you mention the character you want to use. Then click Generate.
Wait a minute!
Generating a single image costs 1,000 credits, which means you'll use up your entire balance in just one generation. But don't worry, watch until the end and I'll show you how to keep generating without running out of credits. Once the starting frame is ready, enter your video prompt. Again, mention your character in the prompt to help maintain consistency throughout the video. While the video is generating, like the video and leave a comment. The generation will take a few minutes. When it's finished, you can download the final video.
Just hanging out, waiting for my cue.
Now let's quickly look at the AI image models. You'll find many popular image models available here. Simply select the model you want, enter your prompt, and specify which character to use as the face reference. You can also upload a reference image if you prefer. That's how you can generate images here. There are also several video tools available. You may not be able to access every model, but there are still plenty of options for creating high-quality videos. The voice section also includes several useful features. First, there's VoiceOver, which lets you generate narration for your script.
Hi guys.
One feature I really like is the ability to add different expressions, making the voice sound much more natural. You can also replace the voice in an existing video.
This message is for every single one of you watching. Hi, my name is Emma.
Another option lets you translate the video's audio into different languages. ये संदेश आप में से हर एक व्यक्ति के लिए है जो इसे देख रहा है. Namaste. Ce message s'adresse à chacun d'entre vous qui regardez. Bonjour. And there's one more useful feature. You can create and use your own custom voice. Now let's come to the credits. You can earn more credits by inviting friends. And both you and your friend may receive 1,000 credits per successful referral. But not everyone has enough friends to earn a large number of credits. If you want to learn how to maximize your credits through the official referral program, contact me on Instagram or Telegram. This is a paid consultation, so message me if you're interested. Subscribe for more AI tips, and I'll see you in the next one.